Hello everyone, this is tutorial 9. In this tutorial, I'll be showing how to place preloaded library in Lumion to create surrounding context of a model, architectural model. To begin with, we need to load the existing model into Lumion, which we had previously. Now, in this, there are like nature, wherein you can find trees and all. There is people animation, wherein you can see a set of people, animal, birds, and all, etc. In transport, you have library of cars. In the objects, you have set of indoor objects as well as outdoor objects. And over here, there is a light, effects, etc. So now I'll begin with the trees, placement of the trees. I can select any of the tree over here, click on it and select place item. So I'll be selecting this tree and I'll be placing it alongside. I can even change the tree, which could be like a palm tree or anything. So for example, this one. So you can explore various trees in this, as well as grass, which can be placed over here. So this is pretty much about the trees. Now I'll be showing you how to place humans. So for example, I'll just select this human and place it some in my balcony area, and orient I can change this orientation by simply rotating this person over here, so it gives us a visual scale. Again, place, and I can show some people over here at this point. So as you can see, I have placed the human figures in my model to look proportionate. And now I'll be showing how to place cars. So you need to go to transport, place items, and you can place the car over here. If you want, you can change the color of the car. So simply you can turn on the lights, metallic paint, and you can even do explore various things and change the color of this car to whatsoever you desire. So now if I have this as my patch, I need to create multiple cars at a time. So for doing that, what I will do is I'll select one car library, I'll go to mass placement, and I'll just simply drag from this point to this point over here, and I can change the direction of the car. And adjust this length over here, so at a time my cars can be placed. I need not pick one car and place it, and it goes it has variation in the color range, so you need not pick one and change it individually. Similarly, for objects, you need to it can be there are multiple objects. So for example, I have this terrace garden over here at the top, so I can place few couch, informal sitting over here for a toddler as well as kids, and I can create some tables. You can create some small table or anything like informal items that I can be placed on the deck. If I want, I can further go to my nature, and you can place small grasses over here. Similarly, now over here, now I'll be showing how to add human mass, human placement. So in this item, need to go to select mass item and drag this alongside, and as you can see, this is just like the same copy of the human. So I can change it to multiple. So as you can see, I have changed the uh, mass placement. It's not just one. So similarly, I can keep on adding few other libraries to it. So now if I change the number, you can see there are like three different profile of human figure that I have placed, and it can be randomized. You can randomize the direction of this, and you can randomize the spacing alongside, and simply click OK. So another thing about the lights, so you can select lights. There are like multiple lights. One is a omni light, area light. So I'll be showing you this. So in omni light, it will be just like a fill. We can place it on the surface. You won't see the light source in the omni light, so this can be better visible in, if you make it a darker environment. You can see I have placed the light, but the source is not visible. To do so, you can also create a light in which the source is clearly visible. For example, over here I'm placing one light, and I'll just bring this slightly down, and I'll turn on the source light. Okay, it's not yet there. So as you can see, I have created a light with a source over here. Again, in the area light, there is something called area light. So in this area light, I can create a light which would be visible, and you can turn on the source and simply bring it slightly below, so you can see the light, and you can change the width of this by clicking length and width of the light source, and also you can change the color to the desired ones. So in this case, I'll keep it a bit warmer light. So that's how you change, uh, put the lights and the environment. Also, also now you need to. We can also place few vehicles to make this road busier. So I'll again change the sun angle. Okay, and we can go to library transport, and in this you can make it a busy street by adding vehicles to it, mass placement, and simply click over here. Now you can see this cars. I will just simply put in one direction, um, randomize spacing alongside the car, and I can simply offset it. So this can be said as a one lane, one way road, one way busy road. So that's pretty much. And also you can add surrounding libraries. Also you can add few signages, like barricades over here to create realistic, like sign stoppages. So I'll just show few of those like barricades, etc. And you can simply rotate this item over here. There is a sort of building in which you can create surrounding context with multiple buildings aside. So I can select this one block, place item over here. Oh, this is too big. Yep, can simply drag it alongside, and you can increase the number of the buildings. You can also change, add various sorts of building. For example, upside. Yep, over here, as you can see. Also, you can add various cluster to it. Material, nature, you can simply go create boulders. Okay. Now, mm, cluster, a cluster, to create a cluster. So now you see from this point, this is slightly elevated. You can bring this below to the ground, making it look as a dead end. So now we can see Over here, our site context is somewhat ready depending upon your needs and Blender. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I have covered the basics of the material placement in the Lumion. Thank you.